Hello, everyone. Welcome back, Health Advisor. I'm Tarab, and today we have a delicious adventure ahead as we explore the fascinating world of figs. From their origins in ancient times to their diverse varieties today, we're diving deep into the sweet and succulent universe of figs. A fig is a fruit that comes from the fig tree, Ficus carioca. Figs are unique because they are actually an inverted flower, and the seeds are inside the fruit. They can be eaten fresh or dried and are often used in cooking and baking. Ingredients of fig. When referring to the edible fruit, the common fig, Ficus carioca, the ingredients are quite simple as it is a natural, whole food. The primary components of a fig include 1. Water. Figs have a high power content, contributing to their juiciness. 2. Carbohydrates. Figs contain natural sugars, primarily in the form of glucose and fructose, making them a sweet fruit. 3. Dietary fiber. Figs are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. 4. Vitamins and minerals. Figs contain various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B6, niacin, riboflavin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, manganese, potassium, copper, and iron. 5. Antioxidants. Figs contain antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. It's important to note that the exact nutritional composition can vary slightly depending on factors such as the variety of fig, how it's prepared, fresh or dried, and other environmental factors. Additionally, if figs are processed or included in recipes, other ingredients may be involved. If you are asking about a specific fig-based product or recipe, please provide more details so I can offer a more accurate response. Types of fig. There are numerous varieties of figs, each with its own unique flavor, texture, and color. Some of the common types of figs include 1. Black Mission. Dark purple to black skin with pink flesh. This variety is one of the most popular and widely grown. 2. Brown Turkey. Brown to purple skin with sweet, pinkish flesh. It is a versatile fig often used for fresh eating and drying. 3. Calamurna. Golden yellow skin with amber flesh. Calamurna figs are often grown in California and are known for their nutty flavor. 4. Cadota. Greenish yellow skin with sweet, white flesh. Cadota figs are often enjoyed fresh or preserved. 5. Adriatic, or white Adriatic. Green to yellowish skin with sweet, pale pink flesh. These figs are often used for drying and making fig-based products. 6. Celeste. Small, brown to purple figs with a sweet, light-colored flesh. This variety is well suited for fresh eating. 7. Panache. Tiger or striped tiger. Green skin with yellow stripes and a unique, striped interior. This visually interesting fig has a sweet flavor. 8. Chicago Hardy. Brown to purple skin with sweet, pink flesh. What sets this variety apart is its ability to withstand colder temperatures, making it suitable for more northern climates. 9. Kingdom. Large, purple-skinned figs with a sweet taste. This variety is often grown for its size and flavor. These are just a few examples, and there are many more fig varieties, each with its own distinct characteristics. The availability of specific types of figs may vary depending on your location and the time of year. Benefits of fig. Figs offer a range of health benefits due to their nutritional content. Here are some notable benefits of incorporating figs into your diet. 1. Rich in fiber. Figs are an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This promotes healthy digestion, helps prevent constipation, and supports overall gut health. 2. High in nutrients. Figs contain various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B6, niacin, riboflavin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, manganese, potassium, copper, and iron, contributing to overall health and well-being. 3. Antioxidant properties. Figs are rich in antioxidants, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants play a role in reducing inflammation and protecting cells from damage. 4. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and magnesium in figs contribute to heart health. These nutrients can help regulate blood pressure, reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, and maintain overall heart function. 5. Weight management. The high fiber content of figs can contribute to a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. 6. Blood sugar control. Figs have a moderate glycemic index, and the fiber they contain can help regulate blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. 7. Bone health. Figs contain minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Including figs in your diet may contribute to bone density and overall bone health. 8. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in figs can contribute to healthy skin. They may help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting a radiant complexion. 9. Prebiotic effects. Figs contain prebiotics, which are substances that promote the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This can contribute to a healthy gut microbiome and improved digestive health. 10. Potential cancer protective effects. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and fiber in figs may have protective effects against certain types of cancer. However, more research is needed in this area. It's important to note that while figs offer numerous health benefits, moderation is key, especially for individuals watching their sugar intake, as figs contain natural sugars. As with any dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. Usage of fig. Figs are a versatile fruit and can be used in various culinary applications. Here are some common uses of figs. 1. Fresh eating. Figs can be enjoyed fresh, either on their own or as part of a fruit salad. Their natural sweetness makes them a delightful snack. 2. Drying. Dried figs, often called dried figs or figs, are a popular snack. The drying process intensifies their sweetness and flavor. Dried figs can be eaten as a standalone snack, added to trail mixes, or used in baking. 3. Preserves and jams. Figs are used to make preserves, jams, and chutneys. These can be spread on toast, used as a topping for desserts, or paired with cheeses. 4. Baking. Figs can be incorporated into various baked goods, such as cakes, muffins, bread, and cookies. They add natural sweetness and a unique texture to these treats. 5. Salads. Fresh or dried figs can be sliced and added to salads, providing a sweet contrast to savory flavors. They pair well with greens, nuts, and cheeses. 6. Cheese pairing. Figs are often paired with different types of cheeses, creating a harmonious combination of sweet and savory flavors. This combination is popular on cheese boards or charcuterie platters. 7. Smoothies and juices. Fresh or dried figs can be blended into smoothies or juiced to add natural sweetness and a nutritional boost. 8. Sauces and compotes. Figs can be cooked down into sauces or compotes that complement both sweet and savory dishes. These can be used as toppings for desserts or accompaniments for meats. 9. Stuffing. Figs are sometimes used in stuffing for poultry or pork dishes, adding sweetness and complexity to the flavor profile. 10. Savory dishes. Figs can be incorporated into savory dishes such as grilled meats, salads, or roasted vegetables to add a touch of sweetness and depth. Remember that the uses of figs can vary depending on whether you're using fresh or dried figs and your culinary preferences. Their sweet and rich flavor makes them a versatile ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. And there you have it, folks. Our journey through the world of figs, from the orchard to the table. I hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible fruit as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy fogging! Thank you for joining me on this fig-filled adventure. If you want to see more content like this, click on the videos on your screen now. And as always, stay Health Advisor.